Morning, one another. I am here to present my project. My project title is Healthcare Chatbot using Machine Learning. In this PPT, I am going to explain about the abstraction, introduction, problem definition, literature survey, architecture diagram, requirements, UML diagrams, and references. Objective. The objective is everyone wants to lead a good life. Life is an important thing in society. We proposed a model to create a medical chatbot using artificial intelligence that can diagnose the disease and provide basic details about the disease before consulting a doctor. The objective of our system is that people will have an idea about their health and have the right protection. The abstract. To lead a good life, health is very important, but it is very difficult to maintain the consultation with the doctor in case of any health issues. The proposed idea is to create a medical chatbot using artificial intelligence that can diagnose the disease and provide a basic details about the disease before consulting a doctor. To reference the healthcare cost and improve accessibility to medical knowledge, the medical chatbot is inbuilt. Built. Certain chatbot acts as a medical reference books, which helps the patient know more about their disease and helps to improve their health. And this is all about our extra abstraction. And the introduction is we have considered a smart chatbot architecture based on natural language processing and machine learning algorithms for healthcare assistance. For developing a chatbot using machine learning algorithms such as natural language processing and machine learning techniques and algorithms and some other machine learning algorithms and techniques. We use natural language processing for processing the data. The actual architecture diagram is the patient have to chat with the chatbot and chatbot recognize the messages and it goes natural language processing and gives the output as the results that here is the literature survey about our project. We have gone through 5 literature surveys and each have some drawbacks. In the first survey, the drawbacks is the program was not developed explicitly to support normal dialogue in chatbots and some other things. And these are our 5 literature surveys on the XG system. Our XG system evidence for the feasibility and effectiveness of online one-to-one mental health interventions that use text-based synchronized chart. The XG system describes the concept requiring for chart design. And this was our proposed system. In the proposed system, the user dialog is a linear redesign. The proceed system initiative to the user and get response from the user. Besides greetings and goodbye states, natural language generation templates were used from symptom extraction to symptom mapping, where defines the corresponding symptom. Chatbot dialog design is represented using finite state graph in order to achieve accurate diagnosis. And this all about the whole system. And these are the advantages of our chatbot. Overcoming existing system, this is improving the cost of showing symptom flag to user. Provides practical implementation of the chatbot, easy extraction and mapping of symptoms to queries to user. Accurate prediction of diseases when end to end of the conversation, least time and cost and improving knowledge about the disease so far. And as for this as our UML diagram for the implementation of chatbot. First, the user asks query from the keyboard by using the natural language processing. The chatbot extracts the symptoms, identification of disease, and displaying the results. And this is our JSON file for the training the data. These our sample data set for training the chatbot. It contains the tag patterns and responses. It identifies the tag as good morning. It says hello, good morning. Have a good day. And according to the patterns, it gives the responses. These are model design. The user has to chat with them. Chat with the bot assistants. The bot actually the bot identifies the message and it undergoes through natural language processing and it give the outputs of the disease and it helps them. And these are the outputs of our chatbot and references and And this was our data set. It contains the tag patterns, responses. According to the patterns, I don't want to talk about it. Okay. It gives a response talking about something really helps. Okay. And about mental health, if you type if according to the patterns, what is mental health, it gives the responses mental health is something blah blah blah. This was our coding part. When the user tried to enter the data, it tokenizes the data and separates the words and collect in a bag of words. The sample, yeah, I can show the sample output. When we run here, A is equal to how are doing. Yeah, in the output you can show that how are you doing. All the words are separated by commas and words. The words which output one written as the original words. In this way, the natural processing has done the data set in the according to the data that is present in the data set. We have done this coding part, and this is about ignoring the words and keeping them in a bag. Actually, I'm getting error for returning it. This is all about our coding part. Mm, and these are the some of the references that we have gone to.